Essay on Srinivasa Ramanujan. Introduction. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician who amazed the world with his talent. He loved numbers and found patterns in them in a special way. Even without many books or teachers, he made important discoveries in mathematics. His life is important for students because it shows how hard work, interest, and belief in oneself can lead to success. Ramanujan's story teaches us to follow our passion even when the path is difficult. Early life and love for numbers. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. From a young age, he showed a strong love for numbers. He enjoyed solving math problems and often wrote his own ideas in notebooks. His family was not rich and he did not have many study materials. Still, he spent hours thinking about numbers and patterns. Sometimes he forgot to eat or sleep because he was so focused on his work. This shows his deep interest and dedication. Many people did not understand his ideas at first, but he did not stop learning and exploring. Struggles and path to recognition. Ramanujan faced many problems in life. He did not do well in other subjects at school because he gave all his time to mathematics. Because of this, he lost chances for regular jobs and faced money problems. Even then, he kept working on math. He wrote letters to famous teachers to show his work. One of these letters reached a teacher in other country who saw his great talent and invited him to work and learn more. This changed Ramanujan's life. His journey teaches us that we should not lose hope when others do not understand us. We should keep trying and sharing our work. Great work and simple habits. Ramanujan made many important discoveries in numbers and patterns. His ideas helped other scientists and students learn new ways to solve problems. Even when he became famous, he lived a simple life. He was polite and kind to others. He believed that learning should help people and make the world better. His notebooks are still studied by students and teachers today. This shows that good work lives on and helps many more people, even after many years. Conclusion. Srinivasa Ramanujan's life is a story of talent, hard work, and hope. He showed that a strong love for learning can overcome many difficulties. Students can learn from him to stay curious, practice daily, and never give up on their dreams. Even small steps taken every day can lead to great success. When we believe in ourselves and work with honesty, we can achieve wonderful things just like Ramanujan did. Friends, if you found this essay helpful and informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need an essay on any other topic, please let me know in the comments. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.